I'm on white. Hey, Mr. White down here, heard me, Fox a million.
Get my kitchen up. Let me also take the back. Perfect. I think so. Do y'all see how good this hair looks without any fluffing? We washed, defined, and diffused the hair. Hold on, my glass is cockeyed. Goodness gracious. Before I undo my clips, I'm gonna take my blow dryer, take off the diffuser. I'm just using some of my extra hold spray. Hold that up. Same thing over here. Hold that up. Fluff up the rest. And I think that's it. Let me sip. Let's keep it 100. Let's do that. This is all me right here. Yes, I have told you guys time and time again that I do consider Beauty Forever one of those fast fashion brands. It's not a ding to them. It just gives you an idea of what to expect. I'm not calling them a swap meet. I'm not calling them, you know, the Dollar General, the dollar store. I mean, it has some type of quality to it. It may not last as long. You have seen me wear these fast fashion wigs out, and I still have them years later. Practice low manipulation to increase the lifespan of these type of wigs. And this type of kinky curly is easier to work with. More than a high quality brand that gives you that texture right out the gate, that mimics that 4C hair. This does not mimic 4C hair as much as it can look like 4C hair from far away. Are we here? Okay, y'all see the body? The movement is still on there with that band. It's not slipping and sliding on my head. Look, no spray, just mousse, gel, and that security in the back. And this wig is affordable, y'all. I want to save my coin and still give the looks. Hello, if you are on a budget and you want a natural textured looking unit, this is what you should be going for. But yeah, y'all, it's about time for me to get out of here because y'all, the looks need to be seen. Not just at the mailbox, I'm headed to the corner store. Somebody has to ask me about my hair today. I need the questions because I want to tell you it's a wig and I got a coupon code. Sharing is caring. Shout out one more time to Beauty Forever Hair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and a coupon code for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much and I will see you next time. Bye.